What is the Buddha nature? What is the Buddha nature? If we all already have the Buddha nature, why aren't we able to simply recognize it? Buddha nature is that, the way we are, the way I am, and the way Buddha is not different. But I cannot see and cannot experience fully and completely the way I am and the way everything is in its true nature. That's why I'm ignorant. That's why I react with aversion, attachment. That's why I have all kinds of problems and sufferings and pain. I react with anger, with greed, with jealousy, with pride, and with ignorance. And that's why we are in samsaric state of mind. But this samsaric state of mind is a perception or wrong perception, a misunderstanding only. If we can clear that misunderstanding, if we can truly, see the way we are, the way everything is, that if we can get rid of the misunderstanding, then we are Buddha, we are enlightened. And we have always been like that, but we don't recognize that. And that's why we say the samsara is temporary, because it is a misunderstanding. It's a wrong perception, and that because it is a wrong perception, because it's a misunderstanding, it has to be cleared one time or another. So therefore, the fact that we have that nature, that's the way we are, is the way we are and the way Buddha is no different. So therefore, we have Buddha nature. Like for instance, Buddha is fully compassionate and complete wisdom, and have all kind of clarity and powers and things like that. We don't have. But we have a little bit, like we also have a slight, however ignorant we have a little bit of, sense of what is right, what is wrong, what is what is not. We have a little bit of wisdom. Even we are, even if the most kind of notorious or most kind of a cruel person has some soft corner, a little bit of love, a little bit of, kindness. And these qualities can be, awakened. This can develop. This can grow, and then, we can have limitless compassion. We can have limitless wisdom, and that is, we can be Buddha. It doesn't mean to say that we are already like that. We have already been Buddhas and then we became samsaric by some chance. It's not like that. We have all, right from the beginning, we didn't see, we didn't understand. We have this misunderstanding. That's the samsaric state of mind. So that's the Buddha nature. We have the potential. Not only potential, but our nature is like that, you know. So we just have to discover it, you know. Sometimes the example given is that if there is a lamp, you know, a light inside a pot, then you don't see there's a light. But if you break the pot, there's light. So, you know, that's Buddha nature.